Good evening, everyone. It is January the 6th, 2020. It is 7:30, and this will be your earthquake report. There was a 4.1 Central Peru. They have it at 13.6 miles in depth. A 3.5 Luzon, Philippines, Luzon, at 2.4 miles in depth. I got a tweet on the on a 4.6 from US Tsunami saying there was no tsunami. USGS said it was a 4.6. Okay, Puerto Rico region, 2 miles southeast of INDIOS, and then they downgraded that to a 4.3. Kept at the same location at 6 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 4.7 Puerto Rico region. They've got it 4 miles, and they've got it in a different location, 4 miles south of MAGAS, ARRIBA at 6.2 miles in depth. All three links to the description box. This came across on the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 3.6 Hawaii, 4 miles northeast of Pahala, PAHALA, at 21 miles in depth. Now, EMSC had it at a 3.6, but then upgraded it to a 4.3, the islands of Hawaii, 5 miles east of Pahala at 21.1 mile in depth. All links are in the description box. There was a 4.2 Costa Rica at 24.2 miles in depth. This one came across on the USGS and the EMSC. They both agreed on location and the depth. The USGS said there was a 3.1 Montana, 11 miles west of COLSTRIP at 0 miles in depth. EMSC has it the same location, and they also have it at 0 miles in depth. Both links description box. EMSC and USGS agreed on this one also. They said there was a 2.7 Washington, 2 miles northeast of Granite Falls. And guys, they both have it at 0 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Metropolitan Chile at 6.2 miles in depth. This one came across on the USGS and the EMSC. They both agree it was a 2.1 Nevada region. USGS said it was California, Nevada border region. Yes, that's my husband coughing. Anyway, there was a 2.1 California, Nevada border region. They've got it 5 miles southeast of Enterprise at 3 miles in depth. EMSC said it was a 2.1 Nevada, 7 miles southeast of Enterprise at 2.4 miles in depth. Gotta love this one coming up, guys. EMSC started this off as a 3.9, upgraded it to a 4.1, upgraded it again to a 4.7. Iona C at 3.1 miles in depth. USGS had it at a 4.7 at 6.2 miles in depth. That's why EMSC upgraded. There was a 3.5 Java, Indonesia. They've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Iona C at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.4 Puerto Rico region, Puerto Rico region, they've got it 3 miles southeast of INDIOS at 4 miles in depth. This one just came across on the EMSC. It is showing up as an earthquake in 3 apps I use by different, earthquake centers as a EMSC earthquake. They started it off as a 4.1 King Williams Islands. They've got it at NUVAVUT, Canada. All right, and they had it at 6.2 miles in depth, and they downgraded it to 0 miles in depth. This one just happened recently at 2.0 Oklahoma. USGS EMSC, 11 miles northwest of Lindsay at 4 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's what I've got. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there. All links will be in the description box. You have yourself a great night. I'll be back at midnight. As you can see, here, whatever, they're still coming across. Thank you so much for watching. Sending much love your way. 2 thumbs up for you. God bless everybody.